Natasha? Wanda? Hey. Hey, those volcano. Why are you exploring the volcano, baby? That's Kuya project, huh? What do you want? Nat? How's Nat? What that? Ang gusto? What do you want? Doon ikaw. Mamaya ako kakain fish ya. Nat? How's Nat? Ang gusto? Doon ikaw. Gutom na kayo. You are hungry. You want fish? Later, ha? Later. Later, babies. Later.